Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this one I'm going to be showing you how you can reset your Instagram algorithm. Are you tired of looking at the same posts or seeing the same videos again and again? Do you want a fresh start, a new chapter in your life even? I don't know why this is getting too poetic, but that's the case that we're going to do here. So let's go over to our Instagram app, and as you can see, this is what's currently on my feed right now. It's showing me all of these videos even at random, even if I'm not following all these pages. And if I go over to the reels here, these are the kinds of videos that show up on my account. Now, in order to reset your algorithm, it's pretty simple. So look properly now. You need to head to your account here, then click the three lines on the top right corner of the screen, and then you scroll down until you find content preferences here. And what you just need to do is just click on reset suggested content over here, and then want a fresh start, you'll see suggestions about topics that may be different from what you usually see, and that the resets cannot be undone, but it won't change who you follow or your topics, so you're still going to be seeing those same people. If you click on next, and then what will happen is that these are the suggestions. Instead of just resetting your content preferences, you can just unfollow the accounts that maybe you don't want to see. But if you just go and really want to reset your algorithm, just click on reset suggested content, and that should completely reset your algorithm. It's that simple. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.